Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. Step number 1 is going to be subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and on my channel I give away all my secrets, all my hacks, all my tips to growing your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this video. So if you guys are watching this video, I'm going to assume that you have less than 1,000 followers. Maybe you have more than 1,000 followers. But nevertheless, if you guys have less than 1,000 followers, even if you have less than 5,000 followers, I recommend that you guys follow the exact strategy that I'm about to show you guys. Now listen, it is gonna take a little bit of time. It's gonna take a little bit of hard work. I would expect it to take at least 7 days before you guys reach 1,000 followers. It may take some of you guys 14 days, but if you guys follow every step that I'm about to show you, I guarantee all of you guys can reach 1,000 followers. So step number 1 is gonna be duetting famous people that you guys see on the For You page. This is incredibly important. It's gonna show TikTok that you guys know what's going on TikTok, and it's gonna make you guys go on the For You page also. Step number 2 is make sure you guys show love. If somebody likes one of your videos, if somebody comments on one of your videos, make sure you guys go follow that person. Odds are they're gonna follow you back. The next thing that you guys are gonna wanna do is you need to make sure that you're using trending hashtags. You need to be using all the trending hashtags, and then also make sure you're using hashtag FYP and a hashtag TikTok. The fourth thing that you need to do is make sure that you guys are posting when people are actually on TikTok. This is gonna be early in the morning, late at night, and in the middle of the day while they're either at lunch or on their lunch break. The biggest thing that you guys need to realize is that the best engagement comes at night. All of my viral videos have happened at night. Most of the time, if I post between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern, those are the best times for me to post. My final and most important piece of advice for you guys is make sure you guys are posting 8 to 10 times a day, and do not overthink your content. All of my viral videos, it's literally taken me like 2 minutes to come up with the idea and to do the piece of content. If you guys are having trouble coming up with ideas, you need to do 2 things. 1, go duet things that you see on the For You page. Super simple, it doesn't take a lot of time, just make kind of a reaction video to it. The second thing is literally just copy trends that you see on the For You page. These trends are on the For You page because they're working on TikTok. You guys do not need to recreate the wheel to become TikTok famous, you just need to copy the trends. So those are all my tips for you guys. Now what I want you guys to do, test this out for 7 days, come back to this video, let me know in the comment section below whether or not it worked for you. I'm super excited. If it did work for you, I want you guys to DM me on Instagram, _Robert Benjamin, comment on this video, DM me on TikTok, tune into my TikTok live streams. I go live at 8 p.m. every single night. I want you guys to let me know. I'm really looking forward to helping you guys out.